Hey guys, in this very quick video I'm going to share with important things that you need to know about the Farthest Frontier, like the pros and cons to be aware of. So, first thing first, deep and satisfying survival game. Food, diseases, temperature, water and wildfire, you got there. Every villager is simulated. Also, exceptional farming system, crop rotation with 3-year cycles, fertility, weeds, rockiness, soil type, or everything. Interconnected production chains like grain, flour, bread, from logs, planks, furniture, like it's complex. Beautiful visuals, extremely detailed, like villager simulation as you can see. So they've been working a lot on this game. But the cons here. AI pet finding issues. Villagers walk across the entire map for items. Workers drop everything to do weird tasks like laundry, cooking. I mean, like they're like humans. Hunter attack raider camps on site and suicide. Laboratories chase corpses into danger zones. A mid-late game, when you're gonna have like a lot of populations, you can have issue with FPS. Just be aware, like a lot of people. Also, raiders combat are poorly designed. So raiders break stone walls with swords, guards don't auto-defend intelligently, units ignore enemies or run into danger, and the trade system is RNG, and also the tier progression is like tier 2 unlocks buildings you can use until tier 3. So some resources are too scarce, and the end game is also a little bit weak. But other than that, like the game is great, and if you're looking for if you don't like micromanagement, if you look for like a lot of great late game, and if you want to like polished combat and with low NPC, you just have to be aware the cons of this game. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.